Stay tuned, guys, and see how I achieve this. So guys, you can see this is a beauty palette. I bought it on AliExpress. So we are going to be using, you can see. So guys, this is a color I'm using as our transition shade. So guys, I'm going to be using my Morphe palette. It's a 81 product, guys. Never mind the noise. came out beautiful, so I'm going to be using my mascara to bring out my natural lashes. So guys, I'm applying my eyelashes. I'm still use the same gel I use, the eyelashes gel, but not that it's really working out for me. My bond, I don't know why, if it's been because I've been using bond for a very long time, so I'm very with bond. Immediately it will just apply, it will just stick down there. Guys, I'm trying to apply it with the gel I used to apply my lashes. I'm going to try if it will work out. Let's see. So guys, as you can see, it's really a struggle. It's not going. So bond which I'm used to. So guys, I'm using my normal bond because I try to apply the lashes glue, guys. It's not really working out for me. I don't have that patience to wait until it get dry. But when you are using that lashes glue, guys, you can see that with bond, applying the lashes is very easy. With this eyelashes glue, guys, it's not that it doesn't work, but you have to be patient with it. You know what, you on a makeup tutorial, guys, there's no time to wait. So guys, I'm going to be lining my lip. So guys, I'm going to be using this You can see that the cheekbone, everything is really poppy. Everything is really poppy, guys. And the lipstick, we are wearing a black wig. A black wig, guys. It's a center part. Is the center part. I'm not wearing a color wig today. I'm wearing a black wig, guys. So guys, can you see the way we are looking popping? I have wear my wig. Guys. Wig, I've been using it. It's more than 9 years I've been wearing this wig. Apart from the closure I bought online, the rest wig is old wig, very old. When I say old, at least I've been using it for the past 9 years. 9 years I've been using it, so you can see that it really lasts. So good thing lasts. You can see I have been giving this hair, you can't imagine, I turned this hair from blonde to red, from red to black. I'll be changing it because I really love wearing. Watching, leave your comment in the comment section. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell if you haven't, and do not hesitate to like. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time of coming across my YouTube video, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Share. Thank you.